Hi, and welcome to another online stock tools tutorial from Better Investing. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to edit the number of shares or share count for a company that's already in your portfolio. Whether you're adjusting a recent purchase or correcting a previous entry, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you're always up to date with our latest tips and tutorials. Let's get started. To edit shares in your portfolio, the first thing we need to do is log into the Better Investing website. You can see I'm logged in up here. From the home page then, locate the gray box in the upper right-hand corner and click on the My Studies button. This will take you to the My Studies page where you'll see a list of portfolios and studies in your account. If you haven't yet created a portfolio, that's your first step. You can find a link to the Portfolio Quick Start Guide in the video description, or you can check out our other YouTube video that covers how to create a portfolio and add stocks. Now let's continue. I'll click on the portfolio that I want to edit. Once selected, you'll notice the header changes in the bottom section here to the name of the chosen portfolio. Below that, you'll see all of the SSG studies linked to this portfolio. To make changes to the share count, look for the dark green pencil icon. This is the Edit button. Click on it to begin. Next, I'll delete the existing number in the share box by selecting it and pressing delete or by backspacing. Then enter the new number of shares that you want to update it with. You can add up to 4 decimal places, giving you precise control over your share count. Once I've entered the new share count, I'll click the blue Save button to lock in the changes. And that's it. Your new share count will now be reflected in your portfolio reports, so you'll always have the most accurate data. The most important thing to keep in mind is always ensuring you've selected the correct portfolio before editing the share count so you don't make changes in the wrong place. And that's how easy it is to edit the share count for any stock in any portfolio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to make the most out of Better Investing's online stock tools. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy investing.